Hey there, it's Kylie with WTI. I've been searching for comfortable and durable outdoor furniture, and I think I found just what I've been looking for with this outdoor wicker furniture set from Rattaner. This set is just so beautiful. Once I put the furniture together, I right away noticed that it was really good quality. The chairs are really sturdy and incredibly comfortable. The cushions have this anti-slip material on the bottom of them, so they don't slide around when I'm sitting on them and relaxing outside. The chairs have high backs that are slightly curved, so they fit my back really nicely. The cushions on both the chair and the footstool have this really nice spongy material, and it makes them very easy to sit in for a long period of time. The set comes with 5 pieces total. There are 2 chairs, 2 footstools, and a side table with glass on top. I love how the footrests slide underneath the chairs. This is really great if you have limited room on your patio. I got this set with the cushion covers in royal blue, and I really like overall that it adds a nice pop of color to my patio. The side table is also really cute, and I find it's a good size. I'm able to put some decorative plants on it and still have room for drinks or for it to hold a book. I'm just loving my outdoor furniture set from Rattaner. It's very sturdy, it's really comfortable, and it just looks great on my patio. And that's my point of view.